Hello everyone, your favorite chef is here and you are watching peanut butter recipe. This recipe is gonna be quick, easy and delicious. For this recipe you only need two things, and that's peanut and really good food processor. Just take those peanuts and put them in the machine and then start processing them until the peanuts start getting smooth. That peanut butter is have lots of calories, so you might get in trouble with weight and weight scale because small amount of peanut butter have lots of calorie that probably you didn't expect. So be careful with peanut butter. It can make you fat faster than you can think. That's all guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Press that button, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.